Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
teacher.
my dear students. Good morning, everyone. Now, you have gone with your English lecture. Now, we will have a math scholarship lecture. Okay? Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, now, before going ahead, let me introduce myself and let me tell you something about the screen which I have shown you. It's Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika Section Vibhag, Online Education Section, English Medium. Today we are going to see the intelligent test scholarship which belongs to a category of maths and date is here. What we are going to learn, I'll let you know afterwards. Myself, Neema Brijwasi Seth. My name is Neema Brijwasi Seth and all the credit goes to the respective honorable officers who had given us a chance to, to teach you something on the lecture of state level. The Honorable Administrative Officer Mr. Kailash Chandra Arya, Nodal Bit Officer Mr. Sharad Kurade, Nodal HM Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul, Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, and our CNO Mr. Ritilal Brungule, sir. Okay, so this is the introduction part. Now, my dear student, have you got the name of all the officers, everything? Yeah. So let's start with our head with our lesson that belongs to an intelligent test of maths. Okay.
Okay.
Before going to start, we will see some. It's always said, right? If you want to do something, you have to start with thought of the day. Yes or no? So you know what is my thought of the day? I'll show you on my screen. See, who will
Yes.
read this
It
for me?
is,
It
sir,
is
can
Please
I,
very.
read.
teacher, can I,
Can I,
Yes,
teacher,
yes.
can
Shakti?
I?
Yeah, read, beta, read. Read.
It
It
is
is
very
very
easy
easy
to defect
to win
someone,
someone,
but
but
it is very
it's
hard
very
to win
hard
someone.
to win someone.
Oh, wow, excellent. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win
To win
someone.
someone.
What is the meaning of this thought? Who will let me know? What will be the meaning for this thought? Is there any glimpse of idea going around your head? Can you
It is
think something?
it is very defect, but win it is very hard, but win
Yeah,
someone.
yeah,
To win
correct.
someone.
You know what is the meaning of this? Very good. You were right, but something like little bit
Huh?
explanation I'll do for the thought over here. It is very easy to defeat someone. You can cheat anyone. You can defeat anyone. You can neglect anyone. You can say that he did, I didn't did. It is very easy to what we can to scold anyone. Yes or no? But
Yes.
it is very hard to win someone. If I'll say, no, you do this, you have done this, you have to do this. So you will say, teacher, it's very easy. It's a very good trick. I can win someone's heart. But no, it is very hard to win someone. Why? Because the following person, whoever is observing you, he has a keen observation on you. How you can win someone? You have to work hard for it, right? Yes, my dear
Yes,
kids. So
yes,
this was the
Yes.
thought for today of your whole day. So you will do the same thing. You will not defeat anyone, but you will work hard to win someone by saying truth, by saying faithful. You are all are going to be faithful, and then you will not speak lie. Whatever your mama is going to say, you will do. Your teachers are saying you will do. It is very easy to win someone, but by doing a hard work. You know, my dear kids, if hard work is not there, we can't achieve anything. Yes or no? So we have to hard.
Yes.
We have to do a hard work to achieve something. Okay, whatever you
Yes.
need. So
Yes.
let's go ahead. Do you want to see what is next on my screen? So let's start now. The next one. Can you see some shapes on my screen?
Yes. Yes.
yes,
Yeah, it's a very colorful shapes. These shapes, where you see these shapes in science, in English, in history, in geography, which subject?
science,
English. Science.
Science. In English, science,
English.
history, geography,
English.
maths, Hindi, Marathi.
Math.
teacher Max also.
Max also.
Yes, yeah, very good. In maths also we see this type of figures. Now you can see so many colorful figures are there. What is there in the
Yes.
red color? Can you tell me what is there in that red color?
Circle.
Circle. What is there in the yellow color? Lemon yellow. Yes, tell me what is there in this yellow color? It is trapezium. What is this, my dear? It is trapezium. Trapezium is same like a rectangle, but you can see this edges is like it is slanting. Okay, so it is what? Trapezium. And what is this?
Square. Rectangle.
Very
Rectangle.
good. What is this?
Triangle.
What is
Triangle.
this? What is
Cone.
this? It's a triangle. They are the types of triangle, my dear.
Triangles.
Somewhat acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. You remember? But I've given you two acute angle triangle, which is having different type of measurement. Okay, and this is right angle triangle. Now, what is this? Who will tell me what is this?
Hexagon.
No. Hexagon is having how many sides? 6 sides. This is hexagon. But this is what? Pentagon. You were right, but this is pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. And then your heptagon, octagon, they have more than 6 sides. Okay? Yeah? So all these are what? Geometrical figures. All these are what? Geometrical figures.
Geometrical figures.
Now, how many figures are there on my screen? What are you doing for this? What you will do for this? How many figures are there? Just let me know.
9 figures.
Okay, you have told me 9, but how you came to know that this is a 9 figure? How you came to know that this
There
is
is 3. Then we add next 3. There will be 6.
Yes.
And add there will be 9.
Yeah, that means you have kept on adding, right? But before adding, what you have did for this 3? Have you did something else for this 3? Like this is 1, 2, 3. What I'm doing for this 1, 2, 3?
Counting.
Very good. Counting. I'm counting the figures. There are all total 9 figures. Now, my dear kids, today we are going to learn a topic name is counting figures. What is the name of our topic? Counting figures. Yes. Now see the next screen. I'll show you. Can you see the spelling of counting figures over here?
Yes, counting
Yes.
figures.
Now see. What is the name of this figure? Who will tell me what is the name of this?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Now, what is the name of this figure? Tell me.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Can you see something has been shown in this mustard orange color? Angles. So this is a rectangle which has 4 angles with 4 sides. How many sides are there?
4 sides.
Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I did, I have counted the figure to know the side. And how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. Yes? Okay. And how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know, even the rectangle is having a vertices. You don't know about vertices? Vertices are the edges which joins the 2 sides of a figure. Okay. So now we will see something next. Even in a rectangle, there are 4 vertices. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. 4 angle, 4 side, 4 vertices. That makes a rectangle. Okay. Now let's see the next one is. Let's start. Oh wow, what is the name of this figure? Who will tell me?
Square.
Square. Even how many sides are there in the square?
4 sides.
4 sides. Very good. Now let me show you the something different. What is the name of this figure?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. How many sides are there in the triangle?
3. PRQ.
PQR. You have named the triangle. Very good. Very good boy. Who is this? Who is answering? What's your name?
Nirvigna.
Nirvigna. Very good, Nirvigna. Now, how many sides are there in the triangle?
Sides.
3 sides are there. Very good. How many angles will be there in the triangle?
3.
3. Very
angles.
good. So, how many vertices will be there in the triangle?
3 vertices.
3 vertices. Very good. So this is what we are counting. What we are doing? We are counting the properties of a triangle. 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Yes, my dear, that makes a triangle. Now next, let's see the next figure. How many triangles are there in the following figure?
3 triangles.
3 triangles. Very good. Can you name the triangle? What is the first one? The
is
yellow
right
mustard
angle
color.
triangle.
Right angle triangle. What is this next one?
Acute angle triangle.
What is this one?
Right triangle.
Triangle. Very good. So how many triangles are there in the following figure? What you have did? You have counted. What you have did? You have counted. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we are what we are doing? We are counting all the figures. Yes or no? Are we
Yes.
counting all the figures? Very
Yes.
good. So today our topic is belonging to counting figures of a triangle. You might be thinking, why teacher is showing only triangles? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
thinking about that? Because we are dealing with triangle. We are dealing with triangle. Okay? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's see the next slide. I'll show you on my screen. Now, here, can you tell me how many triangles are there in the following figure?
2 triangles because they divided into 2 equal parts.
Wow, because they are divided into 2 equal parts. So, but my dear kid, I want to tell you something about this. You have told me there are 2 triangles, but there are no 2 triangles. You are absolutely right. By observing, you can say there are 2 triangles because it has been divided. But now, for counting a triangle, we have to follow some rules. It's a scholarship, so we have to give easily quick answers. Yes or no? And
Yes.
scholarship something like intelligent, yes, intelligent test it is, so you have to give a quick answer for it. Yes or no? So let's start. I'll explain you the rule. I'll explain you the rule. Okay, are you eager to know the rule how to count the triangle? So today we
Yes.
are going to learn a rule number 1, how to count the triangle. Now I'll show you. Okay, wait, hold. Now see, can you tell? You have already told me there are 2 types of triangles in this because it has been divided. But what is this? Can you see my marking? It
Yes.
is what? Vertical line. What we call this? A vertical line. Yes, it is a what? Vertical line. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Huh. If there is a vertical line in between, so what is there? You will form one triangle this side and one you will form an angle and it will make a big triangle. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
it's a making a triangle. But now, before that, let me erase this all. I'll let you know what to do. Okay? Now see here. What you have to do is what? See. Now, before going ahead, it's a rule number 1. So I will write one triangle, see, one triangle and 2 triangle. Yes. What I wrote? I wrote some number on the figure of a triangle shape. Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you got this? Now,
Yes.
what I'll do, just check on my screen. 1, I will sum up 1 with 2. What do you mean by sum? Sum means you will add. Sum
Plus.
means what? Add. That is plus. Okay. Sum means you will add. That is called plus. Yes or no? So
Yes.
1 plus 2 is equal to how much? Who will answer for me?
3.
3. So my dear kid, this is the rule. Whenever you have to count the triangle, you have to write the numbers on that triangle. After writing the numbers on the triangle, what you will do? Tell me.
Plus sum that.
You will add, you will sum the numbers, okay? You all are
Yes.
going to add the numbers. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So how many triangles are there? 1, and then 2, and then this will be the
Three.
bigger one will be the 3. Yes or no? The bigger one will be the 3.
3 triangles.
See again, 1, 2, and this one is what? 3.
3.
So how many triangles all total?
3
3.
triangles.
Have you got this? How I did it? Have you all got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now we are going to move for the next slide. So let's study about how to count triangle in the following figures. Yes, are you eager to know some more triangles, different type of triangles, and how are you going to count it? Yes. Now let's start with the next slide. Here is my slide. Now there are type. I already told you there are rule. Yes or no? See, type
Yes.
number 1 with vertical line. I already explained it. What is vertical line? Yes or no? I've already told you. See, this is vertical line. Even you know what? The small kids are when they start in their classes for junior KG, the teacher is teaching them standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Yes or no? So
Yes.
all these are what? Lines. But now we are not in junior KG class. We are in fifth standard, but we are doing a revision of fourth. So here it is what? It is not called a standing line. It is called a vertical line. What we call it?
Vertical line.
Now how many vertical line is there in this triangle? Who will tell me? How
One
many vertical line?
vertical.
One vertical line. Very good. So now what we will do? We are going to write the number on the
Triangle.
triangle. So what is the first number? 1,
1, 2.
2. And
Then
what we are going to? We are going to add 1 plus 2 is equal to
3.
3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how many triangles are there all total?
3. First
3.
one.
So what is the option? Which is the correct option? Option number 1. Very good. So have you all got this? How I have
Yes.
added the triangle and how I came to know that how many triangles are there in the given figure.
Yes.
Yes? Is there any doubt, my dear kids?
No.
Very good. Now we will move to the next. Okay, next slide. Yeah. How many triangles are there in the following figure? But before that, what we are going to do? We are
Vertical
count.
lines. We
Yes, we are
count
going to count the vertical line. So how many vertical line are there?
2.
1, 2. Very good. So now after that, what is the next step? We are going to write the
Right number.
number. Where we are going to write number here?
Number
Here.
Plus.
We are going to write the number over here.
Triangle.
No, on a triangle. Very good. The figure given of a triangle. So I'll write the number 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So now
Then
what you are
we
going to do with
plus
this number? What you are going to do with this number?
Plus. Plus
You're
them.
going to add the number, okay? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? Who will answer for me?
Teacher, can I?
Yes, say beta, say.
1 plus 2, 3, 6 there, 6.
6. So what is the correct option on this?
Fourth one.
Fourth one is a correct option. Very good. That means you all have got this. Very nice. Very nice. Is there any doubt on this?
No.
No doubt?
No.
Okay. So, do you want to see the next slide?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay. Now, how many triangles are there in the following figure? So, what we have to
No,
write?
sir, teacher. First we count vertical lines.
How many vertical lines are there? Please
3.
tell me. 3. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. Very
3.
good. Now, what I will do? I will write
number
the
in triangle.
yes, I will write the number in the small triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, my dear, do one thing. You all are going to add this, okay? And just let me know the answer for this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will make how much? Please add this.
Teacher, answer is 10.
What is the answer, my dear? After adding, what's the answer is coming? What is the answer?
Option 1, 10.
Option 1, 10. How? What you have did? What you have did? You have added the numbers. Yes or no?
So
Yes.
1 plus 2 is equal 3. Then 3, 6. Then add 4.
Yes.
Then will be 10.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, my dear. So I will write here what the answer is 10.
10.
Option number 1 is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's move ahead with the next slide. Oh wow, how many triangles are there in the following figure?
No,
Let's
the first week
count the vertical line.
vertical
Yes,
lines. There are
yes, count.
lines.
How many vertical lines are there?
4 vertical lines.
4 vertical lines. Now what the next step is what I'll do the next step?
We write the number in the triangle.
We are going to write the numbers in the small triangles, okay? In the small figure of a triangle, of a big triangle, okay? A big triangle is carrying a small triangle figure. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
So let's write a number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me what we will do. We are going to add this. We are
Yes.
going to add the
Yes.
number. 1
Yes.
plus 2 plus 3 plus 4
4
plus
5.
5 is equal to how much? Who will tell me the answer?
15.
15. How you have did? Just let me know. What you did?
Sir, teacher, I can there are 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 6. Then 4, 10, and plus 5, 15.
Very good. So what is the correct option given below?
Third one. Option
Number
number
3. Very good. So I think now you know how to count the triangle by
Yes.
some rules of vertical line. Okay. It's a rule of a vertical line. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now next, do you want to see the next slide? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, let me move ahead. Oh wow, you can see a triangle that it's like a sun rays. The sun rays are going out. Yes. Can you see a
Yes.
triangle?
First,
Yeah.
we count the vertical lines.
Yes. So how many vertical lines?
1.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. And this is the age. This is the ages, right? If you will not count the vertical line, then also it's okay. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write. It's a rule for vertical. Okay. Now we are going to write the numbers in the small figure in the given divided part of a triangle. Yes or no? Shall I write the
Yes.
number? Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now what are you going to do? You're going to count the numbers. Now count it quickly and let me know the answer for this. Who will count it?
Teacher can count.
Yes, count and add the numbers, okay?
28. 28. 28, teacher answer. 28.
Yes, very good. The answer is 28. What you have did, you have wrote the number on the small figure of a triangle. After writing the number, you have added all the number and you got the answer 28. So what is the correct option?
15. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Very good.
Teacher, first 15 plus 21, then 7, 28.
Yes, very good. Very good, my dear. Now next, see the next one, okay? Yes. Now who will tell me about this?
Teacher, can I?
Yes, say beta, say.
Yeah. Can I count?
Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you will do with this number? Tell me.
Count.
You're going to count. You have already counted and you wrote the number. But now
Yes.
you are going to add the numbers. You are going to take the sum of this number. Yes or no?
Here 10 is answer.
Answer is 10.
10.
How? 4 plus 3 is
Here is
7,
3
8,
plus
9, and
7.
10.
10.
Okay. So your option, which option is correct option?
Fourth
Tell
one
me.
option. Fourth one.
Very good. So I think you are very much familiar how to count. Now this is something different. Yes or no? Is this
Yes.
triangle same like the previous triangle which I've shown you?
Yes.
No, this is type 2. Now we can see the type 2. And here it is written horizontal line. In KG session, our teacher tell us it is a slipping line. But in 4th standard, 5th standard, 3rd standard, or higher classes, you are not going to say slipping line. You are going to say horizontal line. What is this? Horizontal line. Repeat the word. What I'm saying.
Teacher, there
What
is
is this?
3 triangles.
Okay, very good. Now you have counted it and you have told me the answer. There is a 3 triangle. But I want to say you something. It's a rule number 2. It's a rule number 2. The
2.
first rule was vertical line. Now the second rule is horizontal line. The second rule is horizontal line. So now here you can see there are some horizontal lines. See, one line, two line. Yes or no? I'll write one line and this is the second line. So all total, how many triangles are
3.
there? No, my dear. If there are
1
two
triangle.
horizontal lines, there are two triangles. How many triangles are there?
2.
Yes, it's a rule, na? So you
Teacher,
have to follow the rule. Now, listen, what I'm explaining you. Wait, hold on. I'll explain you. Now see, what is this? This is a triangle. There are how many horizontal lines? Now we are dealing with type 2. We are dealing with type 2. And that type 2 is what? Horizontal line. Previously, we have learned about vertical line. We have learned about this line. This line is called vertical line. But now we are going to learn about horizontal line. This line, slipping line. That is called horizontal line. You can see the spelling of horizontal line over here. Yes, on my screen. Okay, good. Now let's see. How many? Now this is a triangle. Yes or no? It's a triangle. Yeah. So how many horizontal line are there? One line.
2.
And this is a two line. So how many triangles are there? Two triangles. How many triangles are there? Two triangles. Okay.
Teacher, here we direct count.
Yes, you have to directly count. As much horizontal line will be there, that much triangle will be there. Okay. Yes.
Means there are 4 horizontal lines. There are 4 triangles.
No, it's a slanting line. It's not a horizontal line. This is slanting line. What is this? Slanting line. It's not a horizontal line. Okay. Here it is what? Horizontal line means slipping line, the straight line. Okay. So how many lines are there? 1 and 2. So how many triangles are there? Two triangles. How many triangles are there?
2.
Two triangles. Okay.
Then there will be 3 lines in horizontal.
Yes.
In slipping line there are 3 lines. That means there are 3 triangles.
Yes, very good. If three horizontal line is there, then there will be three triangles. If two horizontal, this H denote what? Horizontal. Two horizontal line is there, then there will be two triangles.
Triangles.
This is the symbol of triangle. I'm not writing the spelling. I have used the symbol of triangle. Okay. Am I very clear? Now see the next slide. Wow. Now how many horizontal lines are there in the following figure?
3
Of a
lines.
Three. Let's count.
Lines.
1,
1, 2, and 3.
2, and
Last
3.
3.
So how many
There
triangles
are
are there?
triangles.
3
Triangles.
triangles. Very good. 3
Up and
horizontal line is making 3 triangle. Yes or no? Yes. Now see the next slide. Now how many horizontal line are there in this following figure?
4 horizontal line.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. So how
Means
many
there
triangles
four
are there?
triangles. 4.
4. 4 horizontal line is equal to 4 triangle. Is it understood
Option
by
2 is
you?
the
So
teacher.
what is the correct
Option
option
2.
number? 2.
2.
Very good. Have you all got this? What I'm teaching you? Now you
Yes.
know.
Yes,
This is
teacher.
rule number 2. This is rule number 2.
2.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Now next, let's see the next slide. Here is the next slide. Oh, if I will tell you, don't use any rule and count the triangle. So how are you going to count it? It will take a lot of time, right? And in exam, we are not getting so much of time. Yes, we are going to count the horizontal line.
There are triangles.
Yes, now see. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5,
6.
6.
6
So how
triangles.
many triangles are there in this following figure? 6. 6
Option 2 is
horizontal line makes 6
triangle.
triangle.
Option
Option is which answer? Which is the
2.
option? Option
2.
number 2. Very good. Now have you all got this? How to count the triangle by vertical line and horizontal line. So how many rules we have learned? We have learned 2 rules. The first rule was vertical type and the second was horizontal type. Yes. Now let me see how much you have understood in the next slide. Oh, this is something different. Yes or no?
Vertical and horizontal line.
Yes, it is a type 3. What is this?
Type 3.
So we have learned how many type now? 2 types we have already learned. We have learned 2 type. Now we are going to deal with the third type. Okay. Now you know, my dear kids, third type is including both vertical and horizontal line. Yes or no? Previously we have seen only vertical line, and in the next rule, type 1, we have seen only vertical line, and in the type 2, we have seen horizontal line. Yes.
Yes.
Now in this type, you're going to see both the vertical line and the horizontal line. This is vertical and this is horizontal line. Okay. This vertical and horizontal line is making a triangle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now how you will count? Shall I explain you? Yes, I will explain you. Wait.
Yes.
Let me erase this. Okay. So I'll write the number 1, 2. And then again I will write the number 1, 2. Okay. After writing this number, what you are going to do? Tell me. We are going to add the number 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then again 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
3.
And what is the sum of this 3? You are going to
6.
add this. 3 plus 3 is how much?
6.
6. So all
Number
total how many triangles are there?
6 triangle.
6 triangle. What is the correct option for this?
1. Option number 1.
Option number 1. Very good. Is it easy? Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes. Now see the next slide. Oh wow. Now what you are going to write over here? Tell me. What are you going to write in?
3.
Yes, you are going to write the numbers on a triangle. Let's write, okay? From down we are going to write 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Now you're going to add this. What you're going to do this? You're going to add all this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much?
6.
6. Very good. Again you will write 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now this number which I got it, 6, you're going to add this number. Yes. After adding this number, what will be the answer? Add the number 6. Please add 18. Very good. So let me write 18 over here. So what is the correct option? Tell me what is the correct option?
Option number 1.
Very good. So have you all got this? The rule number 3, you have to write the numbers on the given figure of a triangle. And after that, after writing the numbers, you're going to add the number. You're going to do the sum of the numbers. You're going to do the sum of the numbers. Okay. After doing the adding of the numbers, whatever you will get the answer, you're going to write the answers and you're going to count, you're going to add the answers. Okay, 6 plus 6 plus 6 will make 18. And even you can multiply also. 6 is how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Okay,
3 times.
6 threes are 18. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So next answer is option number 1. Let's move ahead with the next slide. Okay. Oh, wow. The pyramid is increasing of a triangle by one. Yes or no? So the
Yes.
first step is what? We are going to write the numbers from
Numbers
down.
in
1, 2, 3,
3,
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. After you will add all this number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to how much? Tell me.
10.
10.
teacher.
Yes, very good. So how many? Now this 10. Okay, let's see. See. Now this is 10 equal to 1 minute. Hold on. Equal to 10. Now what about this? Again you will write the number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Yes or no? Is equal to 10. Yes. Now again the down one. We are going to write about the down one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is how much?
10.
10. Now count all the 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 10 are there. If you will
30.
multiply this 10 by 3 times, the answer will be
30.
The answer will be 30. Yes, very good. Now see,
Option number 3.
option number 3. Very good. So let me write here. After adding this, 10. After adding this, 10. After adding this, 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is making 30. Yes? Yes. So option number 3.
3.
Have you noticed so how many triangles are there in the following figure?
30.
30 triangles are there in the following figure. Very good. Now next slide. How many triangles are there in the following figure? Who will, what I have to do? I have to write the,
Write numbers in the triangle.
yes, you're going to write numbers in the given triangle. Okay. So let's try. Where I shall start or down. Then I will write the numbers down or from the upside of a triangle.
20.
The downside. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after adding what is coming? 5 plus 4, 9, 9. Now 9 plus 3 is how much? Who will tell me?
15.
Yes, after 30 days, how much it is to add all the numbers?
50, teacher.
15. Very good. So what is the answer coming over here? 15. Yes. So the same answer will be here also. 15. The same answer will be here. Same answer will be here also. And the same answer will be here also. Now, how many times 15 is there? Count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So now write here 15 multiplied 5 times. What is the answer? Who knows the table of 15? Do you know the table of 15?
75.
Very good. So the answer is what? What is the correct option?
Fourth one, option number 4.
Very good. So have you understood, my dear kids, how to count the triangles by the following rule? Is it very easy or it's
Teacher.
hard? It's
No,
easy?
teacher, that is no hard. That is so easy.
Yes. So what, our thought previously we have gone through the first slide. Thought was there.
Right.
If you want to achieve something, you have to do a hard work. but you have to do a hard work by doing some tricks, okay?
Your sir
Yes.
also tell. 3
So
plus
now,
4 plus 5. 15.
yes, very good. So 15 paisa is 75. Yes.
Yes.
Easy enough. Neither you know what the
Yes.
kids are doing, they're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this, like this, like this. They're keeping on
Like that
counting,
is it.
counting, counting. Like
Teacher,
one
I am
triangle, two triangle, three triangle, four triangle, five triangle. But it will take so much of time and we are going to get confused. Yes. So we are
can I
going to
tell
use the rule. Yes, say beta, say.
that you tell no 6 1 6 to
Yes.
1 that you tell no 6 3 18. That's why I shall tell.
Okay, okay, okay. Doesn't mind, doesn't mind. But yeah, it's so easy now, na, to count the triangle. Neither previously we used to count like this. This is one triangle, this is two, this is three, this is four, this is five, then again six, then seven, then eight. So it was so confusing. But the rule made it so easy for us to count the triangle. Yes.
Teacher,
So
our
we,
sir also tell.
your sir also explained you very good, very good. Same like me, only sir might have explained you, right? Now we will see the next triangle. Okay, next slide. Let me move ahead. Oh, wow. Now, is this triangle same like the previous triangle? Yes, tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, I will draw a vertical line. See, I have drawn
Slanting
a
line.
vertical line. And then I will draw a horizontal line. Okay. I have
Then
drawn
we
a
have to draw
vertical. See.
a slanting line.
Yes. Vertical line and then a horizontal line, okay? And then I'm forming a triangle. And then again I'm drawing one vertical line, yes? A horizontal line. Can you see? I have drawn a triangle. First I have drawn a vertical line, then horizontal line, and I have made a triangle over here. Yes? After that, what you will do, we have learned it in rule number 1. We will write the number 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 plus 2 will become 3. 1 plus 2 will become 3. Yes. After this, you're going to add this. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. Yes. Yes or no? Tell
Yes.
me. So 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. I have already shown you in that figure. Yes. So I have made this figure na, here I have showed you, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 1, 2 is making 3.
6.
Yes. Then 3 plus 3 is what?
Slanting
It's
line
making.
also we have to count.
Yes, beta, you have to count it. See, I'll
Slanting
explain
line
you.
also that.
Yes, slanting line. No, not now. I'll let you know what we have to do. Here is a slanting line in between. But this diagram is something different. But I'll explain you. First, you go through this type number 1. This is vertical line, okay? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And 3 plus 3 is making what? 6. Yes or no? Yes? Got it?
Yes.
So which number you got? 6. Which number you got? 6. Let me write this 6 nicely. I wrote the 6 over here. After writing this 6, this what I have did it, okay? Now what you will do, you will write the number on this figure. Now before going ahead, you can see this. This is a figure of trapezium, which I've told you previously. It's like a rectangle, but its border is slanting. The two side of a trapezium is slanting, and a rectangle is having a side which is not in slanting. It is a opposite side. Okay. But here in trapezium, you can see there is a slanting line. See, like this. Yes. And there is one vertical line in between. Can you see the vertical line over here? Yes or no? This vertical line is dividing this trapezium in two parts. How many parts? Two parts. One part and then two parts. See, one part and then two parts. Let me erase this, okay? Then I'll explain you once again. So this is a figure which is called a quadrilateral. You might have heard a word quadrilateral. Have you heard a word quadrilateral? Have you heard of word quadrilateral?
Yes.
If no, I will let you know. Quadrilateral is a closed figure which has four sides. Quadrilateral is a closed figure which has four sides. How many sides? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more quadrilateral you can see here. Yes. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So let's now, you know what? In this quadrilateral, there is one slanting line. See, this slanting line is making a triangle. Yes or no? Can you see this
Yes.
slanting line is making a triangle? Okay. Now let me explain you once again. So here now you can see there is a slanting line. Yes, this quadrilateral has been divided into a slanting line. But this slanting line is called diagonal of a quadrilateral. What we call this? Diagonals. What is this? Diagonal. Okay. So now how many triangles are there in this diagonal? I'll write the number over here. Let me erase this. Okay. This slanting line is there. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles are there in this quadrilateral? How many? 4. So I will write here 4. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote 4 over here. But you know what? This triangle is this quadrilateral is having one more triangle, and this is that triangle. This triangle is consisting how many triangle? 1, 2, 3, which already we have counted. Again, this side also you can see there is a triangle. See this side. So how many triangle is there? 1 and 2. So I'll write here 2. Okay. And don't forget the bigger side. See this side 1. So here 1. Now add all this number. You will get the answer. Add 6 plus 4 is how much? 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So what is the answer? What is the correct option number? 2. Yes. My dear kids, always remember when there is a triangle which is having a quadrilateral and a diagonal in it. So you have to write the numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing this number over here, and this is the rule number 1, vertical line and horizontal line. So 1, 2, 1, 2 makes what? 3. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 3 plus 3 makes 6. Okay. 3 plus 3 makes 6. And this 4 came from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This quadrilateral is consisting how many triangle? 4 triangle. And this quadrilateral is going ahead with one more triangle, and it is divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So this is called one triangle, and the opposite side is also having one more triangle. So 1 plus 1 makes 2. And then you will see the bigger side 1. And you will add and you will get the number 13. So your correct option is 13. Okay. Am I very clear?
Yes.
Now see the next slide. Now how many triangles are there in the following figure? First of all, you're going to write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you will add this number. After adding this number, what is the answer? Tell me. Who will tell me the answer after adding this number? Yes, say beta.
3, 6, 10, 15, 6.
Yes.
21 answer.
Very good. The answer is 21. 21. Very good. Now, how many horizontal line you can see in this triangle? How many horizontal line? 2. Very good. Very. Yes. If this type of figure is coming in your exam, so you will follow the same pattern. Okay. Now I'll write here 1, 2. 1, 2. You can see 2 horizontal lines. So I wrote the number 1, 2, 1, 2. Now 1 plus 2 is how much? 1 plus 2 makes how much? 3. Again 1 plus 2 makes how much?
3.
3. Now add this. Add the whole number over here. Add this number. Add this number 21 plus 3 plus 3 is how much?
27 is answer.
27. Now, is there in my option there is 27? Can you see in my option there is 27?
Option number 3, 27.
Option number 3, 27.
Very good. So, have you all got this? How I did it? Is there any doubt in this triangle, in this type of triangle? If in your
No,
exam,
No,
this type
teacher.
of figure,
No,
yes,
miss.
if in your exam this type of figure is coming, so how you're going to add it? Okay, first of all you will write the numbers over here. What you're going to do, you're going to write the number. See, I'm going to write the number 1 2 3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
6.
6.
After adding this number, what I have did, I have added this number. After adding, I got 21. Yes or no?
21. Yes.
Yes. And then after that, what I did, I have seen a horizontal line. 1 and 2 horizontal line is there. And I wrote
Yes.
over here 1 number and 2
1 number, 2
number.
number,
1 number, 2
and 2
How
number.
many triangles are there? 2 triangles. Yes.
3.
Yes, in one horizontal line, there are 1, 2 triangle, 1, 2. After doing this, what I did, I have added this. Yes or no? 1 plus 2 makes how much? 3. 1 plus 2 makes how much? 3. I have added 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. After adding this both, I got what? 6. Okay? Yes or no? And then after that, what I did over here, I have added 21 with 6 and I got the final answer 27. Am I very clear? So your correct options is option number 3. Now see the next slide. Now this is rule number 4. We have learned 3 rules. One was vertical line, one was horizontal line, and the next one was vertical and horizontal. Now you're going to learn. Yes. Yes. Number 2, 4. Okay, okay.
4 triangles are there.
4 triangles are there. You have counted, but now we are going to follow some rules. Can you see over here something? Yes, can you see something over here? This is what? This is a table. This is a table to know how many triangles are there in the following figure. Okay? So,
Yes.
how you will do this? I'll explain you. Hold on. Let me tell you. First of all, just listen to me very, very carefully. When this type of triangles are coming with the table, you have to by heart this table. If one base is there, one triangle. If two base is there, 2 triangles are there in the base, then there is a 5 triangle. If 3 triangles are there in the base, then there is a 13 triangle. If 4 triangle is there in the base, then there is a 27 triangle. If 5 triangle are there in the base, then there is a 48 triangle and so on. But now you might be thinking, teacher is saying base, base, base. But what is base? I don't know what exactly is base. I will explain you. I will show you the base in my triangle. See, this is the base of my triangle. Base is over here. This is what? My base. Okay? Yes or no? What is this? Base. And how many triangle is there in the base? See, 1 triangle, 2 triangle. How many triangle was there in the base? 2 triangle. 1 and 2. So now you will see the table. You will see the table. What are you going to see? The table. See the table. 2 is here. So 2 is having how many triangle? 5 triangle. So all total, how many triangles are there in this figure? 5 triangle. How many triangle are there in this figure? 5 triangle. Now let me count. I want to check whether the table is right or wrong. So let's count. Okay, count with me together. See, 1. Already I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bigger one is 5. Yes or no? So my answer is right. So how many triangles are there? 5. So option number 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay? Got this? Now see the next slide. Now now first of all, what we are going to see in this rule? We are going to see the base. Okay? Yes or no? So what is the base? This is the base. This is the foundation of the triangle. From this base, we are making a triangle. Okay. So now how many triangles? Yes, say beta, say.
Teacher, there are 10.
Yes. Now see, I'll write the number 1, 2, 3. How many triangles are there in the base? 3 triangles. This
Three.
n means what? What is this n means? N means number. N means number. N means number. So how many number of triangle are there in the base? 3. How many number of triangle are there in the base? 3. Yes or no? 3. So now after this, what you're going to see? You're going to see the table. You're going to see the table. So how many triangle were there in the base? Tell me.
13.
3 triangles were there in the base. 1, 2, and see 1, 2, and 3. So this is 3. Okay. 3 triangles were there in the base. N is equal to number. How many numbers of triangles are there in the base? 3. So answer is 13. What is the answer for this?
13.
So your answer is 13. So what is the correct option given below?
First
Tell me
one.
what is the correct option?
Option number 1.
First one. So your answer is 13. Is there any doubt, my dear kids? Have you got the rule number 4? Have you learned something about type number 4? Whenever this type of triangles are coming, you will see the base. And how many base are there in the triangle, you will count it and you will go through this table, okay? You will go through the table and how many triangle are there in the base, that will be the answer for your triangle, okay? Is it easy or hard? Tell me.
Yes.
The concept is clear to you, right? Now see the next slide. Now, oh my goodness, so many triangle in this figure. Now it's very confusing how I'm going to count it. So, but now it's a very easy. My teacher explaining me the rules. So I'm going to follow the rule of the triangle. Okay. So let's start. I'll see the base of the triangle. I will see the rule number 4 and I will check the base of the triangle. I will see the base of the triangle. Okay. Yes, say. Who will say? Yes, say, beta, say.
Teacher, first we write 6 number in triangles.
Okay, let me write.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. You were right. So, what is the answer? Tell me. How many triangle is there? Yes, answer is 70. Yes. How you came to know that answer is 78? Tell me how you came to know.
Because the number there is 6, then we 6 is equal 78 triangles.
Yes, you have seen this table. What you have seen?
Table.
This table. In the base, if there are 6 triangle, so in the table you have to see there are 6 number of triangle in the base. So your answer is 78. Okay. Am I very clear? Yes or no, my dear kids? You have any doubt now? Tell me. So 6
No,
and
teacher.
answer is 78. Okay.
Teacher, option number 1.
Option number 1. Very good. Evaluation is there. You can see this video on the screen and you can evaluate yourself. And now we are going to deal with the homework part. We are going to deal with the homework part. Okay. So, my dear kids, I have explained you 4 rules and you are going to deal with this 4 rule and you are going to answer this question and you will deal with this homework part. Okay. It's a challenging for you. You all are going to do this. Okay. And you will tell me what was the exact answer in the next lecture. Okay. So, thank you very much, my dear kids. Use sanitizer and wear mask and don't go out. Stay safe at your home. Thank you, Lord.